How to remove WhatsApp contacts. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete or remove WhatsApp contacts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is open up your WhatsApp. So if you want to delete any contacts from your WhatsApp, you can directly delete it from your address book. That is your contacts in your phone itself. Since WhatsApp uses your phone's contact list to use for itself, you can simply delete whatever you want from your contacts on your uh, phone itself. So if you head over to your contacts and search for any contact that you want to delete, tap on the edit button on the top right, then scroll down all the way till you find the delete contact option, and then delete it from there. That's one way. The second way is by just going to your WhatsApp, opening up the WhatsApp's contact on the top here. Then what you can do is if you scroll down, you can simply block the user, or if you tap on edit, you can delete the contact from there. And that's how you can remove WhatsApp contacts. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.